All right, Math 8 students, so now we're looking at the second worksheet that I had posted for you, the two-way tables with relative frequency worksheet. This is where we go beyond just tables that just have numbers, and we want to find percentages and put those on the table. So the way this works is you take a particular spot on the table, like 16, and you divide by 100. 16 divided by 100 is 0.16, and 0.16 times 100, because you always multiply by 100 to get a percent, is 16%. This two-way table works out nicely with all those percentages, and then we're answering some questions below from that table to get those percentages. Towards the bottom of the second page, this is the people who take Spanish or do not take Spanish, comparing them to people who take French and who do not take French. The key bit of information here is that there are 140 students asked about their language classes. That's the total. Out of 111 who take French, well, that means the taking French total is 111. Only 31 do not take Spanish. So I would put down 31 who do not take Spanish. That would mean 111 minus 31 is 80. 12 of these students take neither French nor Spanish. I can put a 12 in that spot. Then I have to take this 140 minus 111 to get this 29. And I can fill out the rest of the table in that manner. Following that, I found these percentages at the bottom by taking the number I had in each box, 80, for example, divided by this total in the lower right. 80 divided by 140 is 57.1%. How about another one? 111 divided by 140? You could say 79.2 or 79.3. Either one will work. And that's how you find the percentages. Then finally, we're on the back. There is a table where information is given to you, and you have to fill out the totals. And then you're finding the relative frequencies over here to the right. The two-way table was on the left, just the plain numbers. Then you're taking those plain numbers, and you're always dividing by the big one in the lower right, 538 in this case, and that gives you percentages over here. That's how you fill out the percentages on the relative frequency table, and then you answer questions below based on all of that. This is where you want to go through and make sure that these all make sense so that you're ready for our two-way table practice assignment.